We're going to do a quick overview of how to replace the DEF fluid tank, pump, and the heater element on a Mercedes Sprinter. The common location of the DEF tank is right underneath the sliding door, and it's held in place with two brackets, as you can see here. These are the brackets that hold it in place, and it's got 4 E14 bolts that you need to remove. So again, that is an E14 bolt type. Once you remove those two brackets, disconnect the connection there and plug a couple of electrical wires, and you'll be able to drop this down. Also disconnect this right here, the hose, and you drop it. To remove the pump, you'll need to disconnect this electrical wires. You press on them and you pull them out. The same thing on here. You have to move out this white piece, slide that out, and then press and pull. The same over here. Once you disconnect all of these, you have these hex bolts. You have 3 of them. They are 4mm, and you'll use this tool to remove those bolts. Once you do that, this pump right here comes right up. When you remove the pump, then underneath you'll need to remove this ring. You can use a fuel pump tool to remove it, or you can use a screwdriver, tap right there until you get that loose and you remove it. Just pay attention to the arrow right here, as you'll need to line that up with these 2 marks right here.